Our trip begins in Cape Town, our beautiful home with its majestic mountains and glorious beaches. The diving here is challenging, but well worth the effort, as the beauty of our kelp forests is unrivaled. Calm, clear conditions are rare, but we dive anyway, often in cold, murky waters. And that is why a trip north to the warm blue waters of Sodwana Bay is something we all look forward to. After a short flight to Durban, we hire a van and set about packing it with our numerous bags. Will it all fit? The route is busy, with cattle and goats grazing along the verge. But it also takes us through a couple of game parks.
I saw something, I see something.
Oh yay!
Impala. The tunnels of the bush.
And a boating.
Yes, well done. Hey! That is not the Impala. That's something else.
Oh, it's that's a warthog.
What is that box?
Nyala.
Yeah, the stripes.
Yeah, I think so.
And there were even more Nyala at our resort, along with cute but sometimes pesky monkeys. Every day we would arrive at the Isimanguliso Park and take a short walk over the dunes to where our dive operator was set up. And here we would assemble our gear and get ready for the day's diving. Finally, after an easy launch through the surf and a short boat ride, we would descend into the big blue.
know if I do something, but I'm just pointing. I don't know if it works.
Heading back to shore after our final dive of the trip, little did we know what was in store for us later that afternoon. The time had come for end-of-trip sundowners, so our new diving friend offered to fly us all out to Lake Sabaya. From up above, we could see rays swimming in the sea and crocodiles and hippos in the lake. After a few round trips to get us all there, we settled down to enjoy the tranquility of the lake. And to top it all, we were treated to a proper African sunset. Flying home with a view of the full moon rising over the plane's wing, I took a moment to appreciate the wilderness of our South African coast, the dive operators who make it all possible for us to experience it, and of course, my awesome dive buddies who make these trips so much fun.